Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Control app. So if you want to use the Control app in your Android phone, maybe you like the interface of the iPhone or any other iOS device. In this video, I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to make sure you have installed the Control app. Once it have installed, simply open it up. Once the app gets open, then it will show you its features, so you can just simply scroll and read all that. Once you have read it, you have to simply click onto it. Now initially it will ask you for a lot of permissions that you have to allow. If you don't allow it to these options, then it would not work. So for that reason, you have to simply allow all the options it asks you, because it is necessary for this application to have control over the phone. Then it can work. So simply keep allowing all the options it asks you to do it, whether it is the optimization or maybe running in the back or having control all over your mobile. Simply allow all the options it asks, then you will be able to use it. Otherwise the app would not work. So once you have allowed it all these options, you have to simply get back and choose which options you want in your control center. So simply select the option, and once you scroll down, you will see it appears as it appears on the iOS devices. The same way you can check out all these options, and further, as per your choice, you can select which options you want for your phone or not. Simply enable and disable the options as per your choice, and that's how you will be able to use the Control app. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.